Okay, on June 12, 2025, I implemented this AI Google Search Console Analyzer to provide my keywords performance on Google Search Console. For example, each keyword performance has its own impression and clicks position, and I feed that to LLM, OpenAI model, and ask it to provide diagnose how I can improve these keywords on my site. So interestingly, I followed the instructions since June 12th, and my impressions got 303 impressions I got on June 12th. Before it was like around 47, 42, 35. I created multiple pages on June 11, and on June 12th, I followed all these instructions that gave me, and I saw good spike on impressions on my site. So this looks good, but still, I'm not reaching my goal of clicks, which is more important than impressions. So what I found is more importantly than keyword, I need to provide this information to the analyzer. So what I want to do is, actually on this page, I give it a page and say all the keywords that page got searched for, the position, clicks, impressions, and analyze that. For example, I found prompt debugging techniques or prompt debugging. I got good position for that. And I want to know what are the keyword people are searching for that and feed all this information, not only keyword, but feed the page and all the keywords people searched for that page and the position, clicks, impressions for each keyword to the LLM and see the performance. So I'm going to implement that and see if this is going to improve the number of clicks and impressions I'm going to get for my pages. So this is my today's development. I'm going to develop that today. And tomorrow, I'm going to upload new report of the performance of my site.